Welcome to the Visual Builder. There are a lot of builders out there, and for the most part, they all have pretty similar features. This is the free version of Visual Composer. So let's check it out and see what we can do to customize the pages. First, it looks like we have options to add columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is a custom row. This is likely text. Images, media. So let's add a 1-column row there. And if I click, what options do I get? Okay, it wants me to add something. So let me grab a header and drag and drop it in. All right, cool. So this looks like it would likely be our H2. Dynamic content is a premium feature. Okay, so this is how we're getting it for free. Here, it says that this is the H2. It's a color. Here we can put the font size. Now, if we want to override this, we would just go into the back end in the customize section and preset all this so that we don't have to do this every time we insert an H2. Let's see what other features there are. If I go back to this plus section, I can add an image, basic buttons, and you can see basic buttons, and you can see there's the option to have it rectangular, a little rounded, and then completely rounded on the edge. So let me go ahead and add this button. And if I come over here, I can change this from apply now to get in touch. I can put in the selected URL. If I want to do an email address, I'd go to mail to. If I wanted to add a telephone number, tell, and just a regular URL, HTTP or HTTPS. Adding the S is preferred. It means that the site is secure. You also have the option of opening in a new tab and to add a no follow option. So we only have a couple pages. For now, I'm going to leave this blank. We can also choose the shape. That sure takes a lot of the grunt work out. You can also change the size. Large icon, something small. The background color. This we should likely set in our HTML or CSS. Let's see some other options here. We can also add short line code. This would just be heading HTML. There's the divider, more block text, YouTube player, a new row. Let's see what the templates are. Access the Visual Hub, download templates. Let's see what the templates are. All right, this is where the premium content comes in, where they have pre-existing, but they have these other layouts that you can download. For the sake of the individuals in my university class, do not use any of these templates. You will be required to build from scratch. There's a section here for Unsplash, download and add free beautiful images to your site with Visual Composer Premium. You already know that Unsplash is free, so just go to Unsplash and download the picture yourself. But let's go back to the Visual Builder. From here, we can add additional columns. Here at the containers, we also have the option of doing that there. Let's see, what's this one? Oh, okay, this is our custom column. We want to be careful with this. We want to make sure that everything, for the most part, is even. Having a 77-23% column, it's not really going to be on. We're better off doing a 67-33 or 66-34 or doing 50-50. But for that, you might as well just click this option here to be safe. If there's an element we don't like, we can come into this layer section and delete out the rows we don't like. By clicking on it, it shows us which one we're on by highlighting it in blue. So I'm going to get rid of those. And now I only have my H2 and my button. From there, we can save this draft or we can publish. And that's how we started to use the Visual Builder.